The Embaúba House, a testament to 2 years of profound personal and societal shifts, embodies a yearning for a deeper connection to nature and a more mindful existence. The pandemic era, with its enforced isolation, saw many escape the urban jungle, seeking solace in rural landscapes. These were not selfish retreats, but rather introspective journeys, a time for self-care amidst the chaos. The allure of forests, the scent of rain, and the rhythm of nature offered a respite from the frenetic pace of city life. This period of enforced slow living brought about a profound reevaluation of priorities, highlighting the importance of health, well-being, and a harmonious relationship with the environment. While the world has largely returned to its pre-pandemic rhythm, the seeds of change have been sown. We have learned to cherish our time more deeply, to appreciate the subtle details of our lives, and to recognize the detrimental effects of constant stress and the lack of connection to nature. The Embaúba House, named after a resilient native tree that thrives in recovering ecosystems, symbolizes this renewed focus on self-care and environmental stewardship. Just as the Embaúba revitalizes degraded landscapes, this home represents a commitment to nurturing our own well-being and fostering a more sustainable and meaningful existence. This project reflects a broader societal shift, a growing awareness of the interconnectedness between human health and environmental health. It embodies the desire to create living spaces that prioritize well-being, fostering a deeper connection to nature and a more mindful approach to daily life. The Embaúba House is not merely a dwelling, but a sanctuary, a testament to the power of introspection and the importance of nurturing both ourselves and the planet.